this video, we will show you how to clear cookies on Android smartphone. For example, if we need to clear cookies on browser, we can just click the menu of the browser. For example, in here is Google Chrome. Just click this and select the history. You can click browsing data and choose the all times in here. Okay, and you can click clear data in here. This is the method 1. For example, also you can try in Play Store. If you can see, there is local search in here on Play Store. You can just click your accounts, then click the settings. You can choose settings and choose general, and you can clear local search history in here. Now the history is deleted from your smartphone. Okay, there is no local search again in here. And the method number 3 is if you hard to find where is the cookies menu on your some application, you can just go to your settings, click settings, and choose apps menu or similar menu like apps or manage apps. Just click this. If you're using another smartphone, maybe this is a little bit different. Choose manage apps. For example, we want to try to clear on YouTube. You can just click clear data in here. You can click clear all data. If you want to clear chats only, please click this, but if you want to clear all data, just click this and you can click OK. You need to sign in again if you clear data like this. That's all.